Welcome to the ultimate guide to the top cameras for beginner photographers. Whether you're a newbie or aspiring photographer, finding the perfect camera to kickstart your journey can be overwhelming. But worry not. Our comprehensive video highlights the best cameras tailored specifically for beginners. In this informative guide, we delve into top-notch camera models designed to enhance your photography skills. We understand how important it is to invest in a camera that suits your needs, budget, and level of expertise. With that in mind, we've carefully handpicked a selection of beginner-friendly cameras that excel in functionality, affordability, and image quality. Discover a range of reputable brands including Canon, Nikon, Sony, and more. We explore each brand's entry-level models such as Canon EOS Rebel, Nikon D3500, and Sony Alpha A6000, discussing their unique features, user-friendly interfaces, and exceptional performance. You'll gain valuable insights about the key specifications, lens compatibility, and user reviews to help you make an informed decision. Our video entails comprehensive comparisons and showcases sample images taken with these cameras, ensuring that you have a clear understanding of their capabilities. We aim to alleviate any confusion and equip you with the knowledge necessary to select the best camera based on your personal preferences and goals. We understand that starting out can be daunting, but fear not. We're here to simplify your camera selection process. From detailed camera reviews to insightful tips and tricks, our video has got you covered. Empower yourself with the right equipment, and soon you'll be capturing stunning photographs like a pro. So whether you're an aspiring hobbyist, a YouTube vlogger, or simply seeking to capture precious memories, join us on this exciting adventure to find the perfect camera for beginners. Get ready to take your photography skills to new heights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content. Remember to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy photographing.